Aggrieved members of the Zhidu part of Lupe area in the Federal Capital Territory have called on President Bola Tinubu to caution Federal Housing Authority to stop illegal demolition of their houses. This is coming after a demolition exercise in the community on Wednesday, November 27, 2024, despite an ongoing court on a particular building. General Chairman of the community, Prosper Aromasele, who spoke on behalf of the community during a protest in the community in Abuja on Friday, blamed FCDA for sending surrogates for the demolition of the area without due process.
Appeal to our very own Mr. President, our father, the #1 citizen of Nigeria. Hear our cry. Like somebody said, the 001. Hear our cry and help us. The FCT Minister, Senator Ireti, our lovely IGP, our combatant and indefatigable AIG Zone 7.
A further appeal to the FCT Minister Nyesom Wike, the Senator representing FCT, Senator Ireti Kingibe, Inspector General of Police, human rights activists, and all the martyrs in Nigeria to help compel FHA to be law-abiding by respecting court orders and do the needful by keeping their promises of compensating the people.
Test structures were to be brought down, and over 25,000 families were to be unjustly displaced and made IDPs in their own country by insensitive Federal Housing Authority staffs and their partners who are presumed to be land grabbers, land racketeers without human feelings.